I'm off work. It's Saturday morning. It's 3 a.m. It's Saturday, and I don't think I'm gonna go to sleep. Hope I get to sleep. I'm so excited for today. I'll show you what's up on the next clip. If not, I'm probably sad by that time.
What's up, guys? It's Saturday evening. It's here!
So we're gonna do an unboxing. We have the HD7122 from Kranzle. This one's the TS model, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing so that I could use it tonight. We'll talk about more on the use on future videos. Number one, we have the manual, which I will read. We have safety inspection, blah blah blah. We have paper. We have the hose. I don't know how long this is. If this is too short, I'm still gonna use my 50-foot hose. Alright, we have the gun. Oh, cool. Different feel. And then this one has the Vario lamps. It says 028. I'm not sure what the orifice size is here. I have a feeling it's 2.8. Alright, and then we have the machine, the unit. We have the 7122 TS. There we go. Those are the specs. If you want to see, just pause it. I really wanted this because I want to clean during nighttime and the early morning, so I don't have to wake up my neighbors using this baby. Alright. See if I can carry this with one hand. It's heavy. Okay, cool. Look at that, baby. Cap for the pressure gauge. It's filled with something so that I guess it won't shatter. It's the pressure switch, inlet hose, outlet, pressure regulator, expansion valve, I think, and then we have this is where you put the oil. Power cable, I think this is too long because I'm gonna just put it there or put it here on the wall. I don't know yet. Oh, we have, I think, if you don't have a quick connect for your hose, this is what you're gonna use. But I'll check the manual. Man, what a beaut. That's it, guys. I'll see you in another video. If you want to see more of this in action, just hit subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.